How to use the North Star to find your latitude. The North Star, aka Polaris, sits relatively close to the axis on which the Earth rotates around. So this means that at the North Pole, the North Star is at about 90 degrees or straight above your head. And at the equator, the North Star is close to the horizon at about 0 degrees. So when you find the North Star, if you point at it, the angle that your arm makes should match your latitude. So for me, I'm at about 41 degrees north, so when I point to the North Star, my arm should be close to the middle between 0 and 90 degrees. What latitude are you at?